Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use onX Offroad to find campsites. So if you're planning an off-road adventure and need a place to camp, then just follow along. First, open the onX Offroad app and sign into your account. Then from the map screen, zoom into the area where you're planning to travel and use the map layers and search tools to look for campgrounds, dispersed camping areas, and public lands where camping may be permitted. You can also turn on additional map layers to identify national forest, BLM land, state parks, and other public recreation areas. Then tap a campsite or campground icon to view more details, including its location, nearby trails, and available information. Before heading out, download a map for offline use in case you lose cell service. Always verify local camping regulations and fire restrictions before setting up camp. And once you've found a campsite, you can save it as a waypoint for quick access during the trip. So that was how to use onX Offroad to find campsites. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.